Hey everyone, it's Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. This week, for this week's Just the Tip, I wanted to talk about a little bit of clarity that I found while organizing in my office. So if you haven't had a time to do a good spring cleaning, declutter in your office, now's the time. It felt so great. I literally just went through every single pile in my office and figured out if it needed to be filed, if it needed to be done, if it was a project in motion, if it's something that I needed to do pretty soon. And I sorted and I categorized absolutely everything and cleared off as many spaces as possible, got as many things done as possible, and you'd be so surprised. It, barely took me an hour to get it done, but it's something that's been weighing on me and honestly taking up a lot of mental clutter in my own head. So if you haven't had the chance to do that in your office yet for spring cleaning, I would highly, highly recommend giving yourself a good half an hour to an hour on the calendar and just start getting to work. Just do a little bit at a time, see if it feels good. If it feels good, keep that momentum going. And before you know it, you're gonna feel so much better in your office space. So let's get after those offices this week, and I'll see you next week.